you're experiencing chronic neck pain or neck strain, upper shoulder strain, and even chronic tension type headaches, there's a device I use that you may want to try. It's called the PosturePump Spine Trainer. It's a simple device you use at home, you place on the floor, and what it does is it stretches your neck. It stretches your neck and expands the discs that separate the cervical vertebrae. Oftentimes when you have chronic neck strain, it means that you've got hypolordosis of the neck or forward head posture, which looks like this. Many jobs require sitting at a desk in front of a terminal. People are texting a lot on their phones, so all these types of things cause flexion of the cervical spine or neck. Now your head is a weight, about 8 to 10 pounds. If you were to draw a line from your earlobe straight down to the floor, it should pass through your shoulder blade or your shoulder joint, like this. But with forward head posture, like this, so your neck muscles have to work harder to balance the weight of your head. So there's a lot of pulling going on here, a lot of tension. And over time, that could cause neck strain, neck fatigue. And in that forward head posture position, the discs get squeezed by that excess weight, and they could actually herniate and make contact with your spinal cord. And in some people, that can cause numbness and tingling or paresthesias in your upper extremities. A simple device here, this PosturePump Spine Trainer. I'll show you how to use it, and it might be very effective in reducing the symptoms that you're experiencing. Now it helps to have a housemate help you use this thing, but it's possible to use it, to do it by yourself if you get familiar with the device. So put it on a firm surface. Don't do it on your mattress, preferably on a yoga mat on the floor. This is the aspirator. This is an aspirator bowl, very much like an old style blood pressure cuff that pumps air into this bladder. I'm going to let it out. So you just lie down so that your neck, the middle of your neck, contacts that air bladder. And there's a tendency to stiffen up your neck like this because it feels a little odd, but do your best to relax your neck, okay? So you get a good feeling that you're in the right spot. Make sure you're in the center, make sure it's not too high and not too low. It's going to be right in the middle of your neck like that. Okay, so start out just by lying down like this without doing anything, and get accustomed to how it feels. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. And you know, the first day or two, this is enough. You just lie down and have this thing stretch your neck into that nice arc. Now, the next phase is to reach back. Okay, you've got a head strap and a chin strap. It's Velcro. So you put the chin strap on your chin, and then fasten down the head strap. This just positions your head securely because it's going to be lifted a little. And then you pump it up like this. You'll feel that bladder push against your neck. Again, relax those neck muscles, don't fight it. Matter of fact, relax your shoulders too, your shoulder muscles. And I would say try out with 2 pumps first. I did 4 because I do these regularly. And you'll feel a more intense stretch. Keep this in your hand just in case you need to release the air immediately. Now if you feel dizzy or feel any odd increased symptoms, maybe shooting pains down your arms, then I recommend you stop, okay, and discontinue. But if not, if you're feeling a good stretch, just let it stretch your neck. And I wouldn't do it for more than 10 minutes. Okay, then when you're done, let the air out. Okay, Remove the straps. And don't pop up immediately off this thing. Just let your muscles settle in. If you pop up too early, you might get a neck spasm. So just wait till everything's settled. Then take your hand, cup the base of your skull, your occiput, and use your arm muscles to help you come up. Okay, come up like this.